In this video, let me show you how to delete your Signal account. If you don't want to use the app of Signal and don't want the data inside of your Signal app as well, let me show you the way that you can permanently delete your account of Signal. So the way that you do it is open up the app of Signal, and then you'll need to head over to the settings option by tapping on the three dotted line and then tap on the settings option. From the settings list, the first option you'll see is account. If you tap on the account option, the last option here you'll see is the delete account option. Now once you're inside of this, you'll need to select your country code and then type in your phone number so that the correct account of Signal gets deleted. It says right here it will delete your account info and your profile picture along with all of your messages. So if you agree, you can just select your country code and type in your phone number and then tap on the delete account option. As soon as you do that, all of your information of Signal will be deleted and you will be unregistered from the Signal server as well. So that was the easy process of deleting your account of Signal. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.